Welcome back, everyone. Let's take a live look at this blizzard as it still pounds Massachusetts. This is Worcester, where it is really bad, and strong winds are also making it hard to see there. The state has been hit the hardest in this storm. In some areas of Massachusetts, there are more than 2 feet of snow, and as you can see, it is not anywhere close to letting up. Let's go to Rick Reichmuth for the latest.
Hey, yeah, we're pushing about 3 feet of snow actually in a few spots, and the wind has been blowing a lot with this storm. Incredible blizzard conditions. Take a look at the weather map real quick. I want to show you a picture out of Boston, and this picture kind of shows you exactly what's going on. That is a street on the side of the house, and the streets in Boston are incredibly narrow as it is. But take a look at it. You got snow, 20 degrees still going on right now. Today you're only getting to 22 degrees, so we're going to remain cold and continue to see the snow. We're at about just over 22 inches in Boston. We're going to get a few inches more of that than that by the time this is all said and done. Take a look at a couple more pictures real quickly. Take a look at Westport, Connecticut. I think this picture is, that's a mailbox. They actually have stopped delivery today for mail, even though it's not the official stopping of mail on Saturdays. They just can't get there. Take a look at Fairfield, Connecticut as well. That's a car underneath there. So you're not getting into that car anytime soon. I think we have one other picture out of Upton, New York. This is out on Long Island. It's actually the National Weather Service office out there. And look at all those cars that are completely buried under. So a really serious situation going on today all across parts of eastern Long Island. I want to quickly go back to the maps, show you two other things. First, just those snowfall totals that are so extreme. But as you move forward, we have another storm that we're watching, actually a few storms we're watching. But out across the west, we've got some pretty significant snow today in northern Arizona. That transitions tomorrow into a blizzard in across the northern plains. So another blizzard, this time maybe 12 to 16 inches of snow across parts of the Dakotas and Nebraska, and blowing, obviously. And this, along with that same storm, we have a severe weather threat today down across parts of Texas. And tomorrow, that moves in across parts of the deep south. Could be looking at some tornadoes as well. All right, keep all your pictures coming into us. You can send them to YouReport. Go to the Fox News homepage and send them to us. You can put them on send them to me on Twitter, Rick Reichmuth, as well, and put them on my Facebook page. Meanwhile,